Hey there, fellow gardeners! Today we are going to talk about a common pest that can wreak havoc on your tomato plants, the hornworm. Check out this close-up of a hornworm chomping away on a tomato leaf. Stay tuned to learn how to spot and get rid of these destructive critters. Hornworms are a serious threat to tomato plants, and it's essential to address this issue promptly to protect your harvest. They can be a nightmare for tomato growers as they voraciously feed on the leaves and fruits of the plants. Their large size and insatiable appetite make them a significant threat to your garden. If left unchecked, they can decimate your tomato crop in no time. Identifying hornworms on your tomato plants is crucial for effective pest control. These caterpillars are large, green, and have distinctive markings on their bodies. You may also notice their characteristic horn at the rear end. Keep an eye out for chewed leaves and droppings on the plant, as these are telltale signs of hornworm infestation. Additionally, hornworms are most active during the early morning and late evening, so inspect your plants during these times. They are camouflaged into the tomato plants and are a little difficult to spot during the day. An easy way to spot them is using a black light at night. Please find the link in the description below for our video where we hunted blackworms at night using a black light. Now, let's talk about how to handle these pesky hornworms. One method is to remove them and dispose of them. Alternatively, you can use organic pesticides like neem oil or BT to control the infestation. It's also good to remove the chewed leaves so that they don't confuse you the next time you check. If other leaves are chewed, that means that there's another hornworm. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Share your experiences dealing with hornworms in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.